A certification trademark is a form of trademark used to identify goods or services that meet certain criteria. It means certain standards or specifications. These standards or specifications can include quality, accuracy, place of origin, raw materials, mode of producing the goods, or performance of services, and other specified properties. How do they work? The owner of a certification trademark shall provide control over the use of the trademark and ensure that the standards have been met. The owner is usually, but not all the time, an independent enterprise, institution, governmental entity or certification body, which is competent to certify the concerned product. Because of the sole purpose of a certification mark is to indicate that certain standards have been met, the use of the certification trademark is made by others, not by the owner. And there is no membership compulsory. How does a certification trademark work? First of all, there is a need to have regulation of use. Regulation of use that will contain the features of the product, the condition of use, the controls, and proceedings also against unauthorized use. Concerning the authorization of use, it will be anyone who meets with the prescribed standard. There is no membership compulsory. Generally, there can be license agreement with fees, and the owner is not allowed to use this trademark. Some controls shall be also foreseen in order to check the compliance with the specifications. Concerning the registration of certification trademarks, some countries include certification marks under the umbrella of collective trademarks, so you need to be aware about this consideration. Some countries can also regulate separately the collective trademark as a specific category of trademark. In some countries, like Japan or Cambodia, there is no protection for certification trademarks. Speaking about the control of certification trademark, certification organization or certification body must establish operating rules and regulation identifying what is being certified by the trademark and the required standards. These rules and regulation will accompany the application for the certification trademark. In addition, they set out the conditions that must be met for a third party to use the mark. What can be the benefits for small producers and SMEs? The message conveyed by the certification trademark is that the product have been examined, tested, inspected, or in some way checked by an independent body who is not the producer and by method determined by the certifier or the owner. Another element is the benefit from the confidence that consumers place in users of the certification trademark on the products. It will allow for strengthening the reputation of the product, and also it will be a guarantee for consumers of certain given quality of the products. Let's check now some illustrations of certification trademarks. An example of certification trademarks used for fabrics. The one is handloom mark for genuine hand-woven products in India. The other one is the batik in Indonesia, which is a specific fabric in Indonesia. Both certification trademarks will provide some guarantees on the product, such as the product is handmade, that certain ecological requirements have been taken into account in the production process. There were no children employed also in the production process. This trademark will also provide some information on the origin of the geographical area of the production, and also that the products are made of 100% recyclable materials.